In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing, even as a complete beginner. This strategy is really easy. You don't need a website and you don't need a social media following. The simple strategy that I'm going to show you today in this video can generate a lot of money for you. And all you need is your computer and an internet connection. And the best part is that this method is completely free. So if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, smash that like button, watch the full video, and follow along step by step. So I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing, and in this strategy, we're going to be using Digistore 24 to promote products and make affiliate commissions. And the best thing about this website is if I go here and click on affiliates and then scroll down a little, you'll see that you can earn up to 70% in commissions. They have over 8,000 different products to choose from in the marketplace and 44 plus different niches to choose from. But the best part about this strategy is that you don't even need a following, and you can do this in any niche and make money with affiliate marketing. This method is going to create a passive income stream for you, so when you do the work once, you will continue to generate affiliate commissions over and over again. And I'm going to show you a few tricks, so be sure to watch the full video. So the first thing that you want to do is sign up for a free account on Digistore 24 and log in. Once you log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Just make sure that you clicked onto the marketplace. And these are the categories here on your left hand side. You'll be able to find different types of niches and products that you can promote. For example, I'm just going to pick fitness and health. And then you just want to scroll through here and find a product that you want to promote. Let's just say that you want to promote keto desserts. As you can see, you will earn around $5.30 per sale. To view the sales page, you can just click here. This is the page that people will see once they click onto this offer, and what they'll do is just skim read through here and scroll down to the bottom, and if they click here on to claim now, it's going to take them over to the checkout page. But what I want to do is give them this sales page as a PDF. So I'm just going to tell them that I want to give them something with a little bit more value. Even though it's the same sales page, people like to get stuff for free. So in order to turn this sales page into a PDF, we just want to go into the browser and copy this link. Then we're going to go to web-to-pdfconvert.com. And we just want to paste that link here and hit go. And what this is going to do is convert that landing page into a PDF that we can give them to download and read through. Next, I'm going to show you how to insert links into this PDF. So when they click on that link, it's going to take them through to the checkout page. So now we just want to download the converted file and we have our PDF. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. And if I open this up, you can see what we're going to give them with just the PDF. And if I scroll down to the bottom where it says claim now, there's no way for them to click out to the checkout page. So now we need to insert our links. And to do that, we're going to go to a website called seda.com. Just click on pricing and scroll down to use the free version and just click on get started. And then you'll see that we can upload the file that we just downloaded. So just click here and find the file and click open to upload it. And now that we have our PDF uploaded, we're actually going to use this software to insert our links to the checkout page. So we just want to look for the text and images that says claim now. So if I scroll all the way down to the bottom for that claim now button, you can see that some of the images didn't populate. So what we're going to do is just grab that image. And I have a tool called Snagit, so I'm just going to highlight this image and copy it. But you can also right click it and copy it also. Then we're going to go back and click on images, then click new image. And we're just going to click on that image and open. And I'm just going to align this to the center. And you could do the same thing with any image on this page that didn't convert over. But now that we got our image, we need to add our link to the checkout page. So now what we want to do is go back to our sales page, scroll all the way down to the bottom to claim now, and click on that. And this link here in the browser is actually the link to our sales page. So we want to copy that. And whenever someone clicks on this link and makes a purchase, you're going to make money. And then we go back to Seda and go to links, highlight the image, and we're going to paste our link here and just press enter. And now anyone that clicks on this link is going to take them to the checkout page. And you just want to repeat that for any other text or images that says claim now. You can also highlight entire sections, it's really up to you. Once you finish inserting all of your links, you just want to scroll down to the bottom and click apply changes. Once you've done that, it's completed with our links included. So now you just want to go here and click download. And now it's downloaded to our computer, and we're going to use this PDF to make money with affiliate marketing. But before we can do that, we need to make this a shareable PDF document. So you just want to go to Google and search Google Drive. And then you can click here, create a free account, and sign in. This is what your dashboard is going to look like. Just go here to New, then click on File Upload, and select the file we just downloaded and hit Open. Then it's going to upload our file to Google Drive. Now I'm going to open it. Scroll up to the top and click on Share. You can just leave it set to restricted, copy the link, and done. And for now, I'm just going to paste that link into Notepad. And now that we got our PDF book with our affiliate links included and it's a shareable document, where are we going to go to get free traffic to turn it into sales? And one of the best places to do that is on Pinterest, because you only have to create the pin once and you can continue to get clicks and sales because these pins are just going to continue to stay up here on Pinterest. So the first thing that you need to do is go to Pinterest and create an account. And then we're just going to start creating these really simple pins. To create these pins, we're going to use canva.com. It won't cost you anything. It's absolutely free. So just go here to search and type Pinterest pin. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page and you can select any template you want. There are paid versions here, but there's also plenty of free templates to use. I'm just going to go here and select blank template. And then you can go here and type keto in a search and choose any template you want. As an example, this one here is free, so I'm just going to use this one. And then I'm just going to delete this whole block here. And then I'm just going to put an image from the sales page here. So I'm just going to go back to our sales page, scroll through here and look for an image. This one looks pretty good, so I'm just going to right click and copy image and paste it here. Then I'm just going to adjust it to fit in the middle. And as you can see, this is exactly what I did over here earlier just to save some time. Enjoy delicious sugar-free low-carb desserts and still be on keto. And I actually got this from the sales page also. So if I go back over here to the sales page, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this title. And then I'm going to head back to Canva and select text. And I'm going to select this one here. I'll delete this small writing, then double click the text and paste. Then I'm just going to adjust the text to fit in the top, and I'm going to align this to the center. Now I'm going to separate the line spacing a little bit. Then I'm going to click onto Effects, and I'm going to choose the background. And I'm going to change the color to yellow. And I'm going to change the text color to black. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of a tilt. And that's exactly what I did to create this really simple pin. Now we just need to download it. So I'm just going to go up here to download, click download again, and download. And then it's going to download to our computer. And now that we got it downloaded to our computer, we need to start uploading these different types of pins to Pinterest, just like all of these people here are doing with all of these different types of keto pins. So just go up here to create and create pin. Then we're just going to drag and drop that image here. And for the title, you can get more information from the sales page if you wanted to, or you can just type in what you already got here. Get your very own recipe book today. You could put more details in the description if you wanted to tell them what your pin was about. And again, you can always get more information from the sales page and paste it in here. And now what we want to do is add the link to the PDF. So I'm just going to pull up my notepad and copy the link to the PDF and paste that in here. And now you want to create a board. So we're just going to go here and get this drop down and click create board. And I'm just going to name this dessert for keto, for example. Then click keep this board secret because I'm just creating this for an example, and then create. And then click publish. And then you can create as many of these pins as you want with these different types of images and get clicks through to your checkout page. Pinterest is amazing at promoting your pins. So now if I go to my profile and just scroll down and click on that board and then open it up, if I click on this link, it's going to take me to the PDF that we just created. And if I scroll down and click on claim now, it's going to take me to the checkout page, and every time someone makes a purchase, you make money. Now the only thing that's left for you to do is to repeat the process. Take a look at how many different pins that you can create in this keto board and post as many pins as you can. You will be surprised at how much traffic you can actually get, and it's completely free. You could even create pins in advance. For example, you can create 14 pins in one day and schedule 2 per day for the week. The same principle would apply for a month, and you could get a ton of traffic and make a lot of money using affiliate marketing and Pinterest, and you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.